Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 12339 Class 2 trailer hitch on a 2004 Toyota Camry. To begin, remove the tie-down brackets from each side. Remove the rearmost heat shield bolt from the passenger side as well. If no tie-down bracket is present on the driver's side, be sure to clean out the weld nuts. To do this, use a wire brush and penetrating lubricant. Remove the factory well nut covering on the driver's side as well, if present. Raise the hitch into position. Fasten the hitch to the frame with the included hardware on each side. For some models, 2 holes will need to be drilled to accommodate the included U-bolt. To do this, refer to the included instruction sheet. This was not necessary on this vehicle. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. This completes the installation of the CURT 12339 Class 2 trailer hitch on a 2004 Toyota Camry. Check out our stylish CURT Euro mounts and install the vehicle-specific trailer wiring harness for your ride next. Thanks for watching this video. Now you can bring it.